Good afternoon. Welcome back. We are going to solve two problems in this session. One is length of longest length of longest I'm sorry longest subsequence of non-repeating characters in a given string. Number two, length of longest subsequence of ovals in a given string. Okay, non-repeating characters. So let us solve the first one. Length of longest subsequence of non-repeating characters. So open a new file, read the string from keyboard using input statement, and then call a function to get the length of longest subsequence of non-repeating characters. So function name is the length of non-repeating subsequence. Input is string. Let us write the function. Define longest non-repeating character sequence. Input is string yes. Let n is a number of characters. The length of longest subsequence is maximum, which is 0 initially. Length of longest subsequence of non-repeating characters is 0. Say for I in range, say n, have a sublist and have ith character in the beginning in it. Okay, now for j in range, next character to last character, If the next character is in the sublist, is not in our sublist, okay, then append the character which is not in the sublist to sublist. So we are appending non-repeating characters. If character is already in sublist, don't add it and break the appending process. Now, if the length of substring obtained so far is greater than maximum so far, then maximum is equal to length of substring. Okay, now return the length of longest substring. Okay, let us solve it. Save it in EX. Seems to be some syntax error. Spelling of return. Let us have a character. Say A, B, C, D, A, E, F, G, H, I. So A, B, C, D is length of longest subsequence of non-repeating characters, followed by E, F, G, H, I. So what's the longest one? First one is having 4 characters, second one is having 5 characters. So the answer should be A, B, C, D, A. I'm sorry, from BCD 3, AE 5, FGHI. This is longest subsequence of non-repeating characters. So answer is 9. Okay. Let us take a simple problem. So A, B, C, D, A. So you have longest sequence of non-repeating characters as ABCD. Length is 4. Okay. Next, let us go to second problem. What is second problem? Length of longest subsequence of vowels. For example, ABC, AE, IOU, D, IOU, F. So longest subsequence here is 5 and here is 3. So answer should be 5. Okay. Let us copy this and we supply this as input. Okay. Now let us rewrite the entire program. Read the string from keyboard using input statement. Now get the length of longest subsequence of vowels in a given string. Longest subsequence of vowels. Input is string. Okay. Write the function. Define LSV. Input is yes. Get number of characters in the string. Create a list of vowels. Create a list of vowels. So A, E, I, O, U. Okay, you understand why. Now, at the length of longest subsequence is 0 initially. Now, for I in range, number of characters. For J in range, say I plus 1 to N. Okay, before that, if S of I is one of the vowels, if S of I is one of the vowels, ith character is one of the vowels, then create a sublist, and in the sublist you put S of I. Okay. So fine. When you do this, and S of I is in vowels, okay, and then you go to next character. If S of J is also in vowels, then append that to sublist. Okay, append it to sublist. Fine. Else break. Okay, now if length of substring is greater than maximum, then maximum is equal to length of substring. Same, return the maximum length. Okay, return maximum length. So let us give the same input which I copied from Notepad. Answer is 5. Fine. Hope you understand it. So have a look at the program. Minor changes. Length of longest palindrome, length of non-repeating characters, length of longest substring of vowels. Okay. The core logic remains the same. So these are different varieties of problems one may ask. and being asked also. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for updates.